Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Job Post for You. Today we are going to see some latest new job opportunities for the fresher. So let's start with our video. As you can see, we have uploaded so many latest job hiring videos on this channel. If you are interested, you can apply for these jobs and subscribe to these channels also. So today in this video we are going to start with our new opportunities. So as you can see, Cisco company is hiring for a software engineer and it is for new graduation 0 to 3 years of experience. So there is a application entire detail is given here. As you can see, 0 to 3 years of software development in Java, React and Angular frameworks. Strong expertise in web development technologies, microservice architecture and testing. Hands-on knowledge on REST API, knowledge on Jenkins, Bitbucket and Git. So preferred qualification is experience with Cisco product, strong background in testing. Everything is given here. If you are fresher, you can apply for this job. That is enough. Next opportunity that is from ltimindtree. As you can see, there is a given kindly direct message me with details if you need a referral. So deadline is 11th February and associate trainee. As you can see, this is given is a process is registration screening. Compensation will be 3,19,000 per annum. Online assessment will be there and communication technical interview and then HR discussion. So eligibility criteria is 2024 batch and Bachelor of Arts, BCom, BBA. Anybody can apply for this position. Next, that is Geek for Geeks. There is a opening from Geek for Geeks also, and there is a you can check out the link in the description for more detail. Next opportunity that is for from Capgemini and it is hiring for Python developer. So Python developer it is hiring for freshers only, 0 to 4 years of experience and it is for Bangalore location. So if you are interested, you can apply for these positions. Entire job detail and description is given here. So try to apply as early as possible. And next opportunity that is from Fargo, India, and it is for Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. So it is hiring for apprentice. So interested candidates can apply for these positions. Required qualification is India only bachelor degree, and everything and detail is given here. You can check out the details in the description of this video and apply for this position. Thanks for watching this video till the end. We will comes with new opportunity in our next video. Thanks for watching.